wrong with you?
Let's go. Undercover right here.
Let's go. No hands.
They had the bikes all strapped up, bro.
Nah.
Bro, they had OW Bomb on there, bro.
Nah. Here, what's going on, guys? I just came up NYC. Today is going to be EBRO 2024. Make sure you tap in with that last video of EBRO 2023. Go do it again. Gotta be banger. I'm with my guy, Juju. You feel me? Yeah, how you feel about today?
Today about to be crazy, man. We about to run it up for real. Get the content in just for y'all.
You guys all know what EBRO is. That one ride out every year in New York City where you see 2,000 or more kids. You all ride around the whole tri-state area of New York City. Don't matter if it's in Manhattan, the Bronx, you name it. We around. You feel me? Yo, Batman, where's the Batmobile at, bro?
Want a picture together? Picture?
A picture? Yeah, I have a picture. Yeah. Batman's my favorite. Is that Chris the surfer? Yo! Yo, what's up, Chris? We outside, you're hurt.
Bro, I got jumped by the cop, I swear.
Bro, you got jumped?
They threw me off my bike.
Nah. Yo, what's up, Ben?
These sorry bros.
Bro, these bros are a joke, not rideable one bit, you feel? Yo, look at this, got heads everywhere, lined up. We outside, guys. EBRO got mad heads out here. As you can see, we're taking up the streets out here. It's getting crowded, it's getting tight. Wow. Yo, what's up, yo? What's up, bro? Yo, what's good? Yeah, bro.
Spawn right in front of me.
I just spawned in. I just spawned in the RIDEOUT, guys. Bro, what route is this? You already know the vibes. We're taking over the streets out here. You're hurt. Yui. Damn. 4 grand, bro. Oh my, be active with it. Oh, bro, we going through this drawing again? Oh my goodness. Let's get it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Why are we taking all these routes? We try and run away from the law. I'm trying to be on a big road. Damn. Nah, finally we're on a big road. We outside. We outside. Look, guys, we got a helicopter on us right now, yo. Bro, what? You liking the vibes here today?
On the GTA mission right now.
GTA mission, 100%. Yo! Come on now.
Happy EBRO, happy EBRO.
Happy EBRO, bro. Chillin', just made it to the pack. Yeah. What's up, bro? We got so many heads, you have to take up 2 sides of the damn street.
It's only getting bigger.
Bro, rap. Oh my God. Yo, what's up, Lonnie? Yes, sir. Bro! Yeah, bro! outside. Yo, bro, I think you left your balls in the back of your bike. You had to cut them loose, bro. Guys, going on. We got the whole street taken up. Yo, we really outside. Yo, what's up, Slow?
How you doing, bro?
Doing good. About you, bro? Trying to have some fun. Beautiful vibes out here. No. Nah, bro. My fault, my fault. Y'all can't do that. Y'all can't do that. Y'all can't do that, bro. Y'all can't do that, bro. That's not right, bro. That's not right, bro. That's not right, bro. That's not right. That's not right, bro. That's not right. That's not right. They kids, bro. Kids, bro. That's mad weird, bro. That's mad weird, bro. They kids, bro. That's wrong, bro. This is wrong, bro. That is so wrong, bro. We try to ride, bro. We try to ride, bro. That's a kid. That's a little kid, bro. That's a little kid. Come on, bro. What's wrong with you? My fault, chill, bro. Bro, real rad, bro. Guys, I hope I got all that on video. That is so messed up. You see what the cops trying to do to people, bro? That is so not cool, bro. So not cool. They on some bro.
It's cosmic, baby.
Yo! Yo! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What's wrong with them, bro? At the moment, these cops trying to pick us up one by one. They got us going through circles and loops, trying to get people off bikes. Still not cool, bro. Still not thorough, bro. Come on, come on. Keep it pushing, keep it pushing. Come on. So messed up. Throwing people right off their bikes. I got no rap for NYC. Throwing kids off their bikes, thinking that's thorough. Nah, it's anything but thorough. This is so messed up.
We gotta go, bro. Let's be at the Times Square now. Let's hop on the train and escape this. Let's ace that.
We're working backward. My fault, my fault.
Get out of here, bro.
Bro, yeah, we gotta get out of here. They're literally trying to make us go in circles.
GoPro batteries, bro.
Nah, you that EBRO 2024 gone wrong.
I'm back him for a little while now.
Damn, that's bound to happen at EBRO.
Imagine they use those first too.
Bro, nah, that would be messed up. Using one of these? Nah. Nah. They on some bullshit. Yo, you laddie daddy? Hey, I've been following you since 2016. Let's go. Laddie daddy, bro. Laddie daddy's crazy. Laddie daddy's crazy on the comm. Damn! I got basically that whole clip. There. PsiDaGoat. Oh, alright.
No, don't panic, don't panic.
Don't panic, don't panic. Keep on the grind, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. He got the work. Let's go. He landed it. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Yes, sir. He's thorough with it, bro. What's your grand name?
BikeLife.Jones.
Wow. Let's go. Oh, undercover right here. Yo, watch out! Undercover behind us! We got the cops behind us! Yo, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Got the law behind us! Alright guys, we just made it to Times Square, you heard. We're taking over the streets! Oh my goodness! Yeah! We outside! Hopefully they don't try to tackle us in Times Square. That would be nutty, bro. Come on! We can't cross? What's up? Are they on some weird time?
I barely even got the Wheelie.
Bro, me too! Bro, so let me take a bite of my chicken real quick. Alright, yeah, let's cross, let's cross, let's cross. Yes, sir. You know the vibe. You see a pack? All right, let's follow them. Let's follow them. I got here like 2 hours when the RIDEOUT started.
I missed 3 trains.
I was supposed to take the 9 o'clock New York bus. They left 10 minutes early. Yo, they the other direction. I guess we go this way and we go that way because this... Yo, what's up, yo?
That one's got towed like 2 times.
Bro, what's going on now? What? Let me see what's going on over here.
I'm good with face. I swear to God, if I ever see you again. Yo.
We just out here.
Officer in front of other officers.
We just out here trying to ride bicycles. Not no dirt bikes, not no 250. Yo, let me see some work. Let me see some work. Yo, my bro is crazy. Yo, he is crazy. He like that for real. Let's go. My guy really got his wheel up. He got his wheel up. Let's go. No hands, no way. He through. Who needs brakes, right? No break. Let them know what's good. Hey, wait a minute. Is that Steez? What's good, bro? I almost did. I got some clips of them tackling young bulls. So not thorough.
Going right after the young boys too.
Let me see the work, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. He's snapping crazy. What else? Yeah. Let's go. Oh, he just pulled up on me. Oh. Oh, let's cut through. Cut through, cut through, cut through. Okay. Let's go! Yeah, what's up, my guy? What's up? What's up? We outside! Let them know what's good, bro! Let them know what's good!
EBRO 2024. Bro, I came out here earlier. Man, they had us getting chased by cops. They had the helicopter on us. Boy, they had FBI. Like, they jumped up, bro. They hopped out the car. They was like this, bro. They cut off the intersection. Then they just hopped out and said, what? Oh, I'm like, damn!
They not rapping, bro.
When we was on the highway coming off, bro, they started grabbing on there too. They said, we taking you and your bike. But they coming like, if you don't resist arrest, you getting out the same night. Are you getting out tonight?
This should be against the law, bro.
Look at the bike. They had the bikes all strapped up, bro.
Nah.
Bro, they had OW Bomber on there, bro.
Nah.
Just dropped. Just saved up.
Just got that bike. How they gonna treat him like that? Let me see a trick. Come on. Yo, no way. Homie is out here, bro. He is out here. Yo, yeah. We outside. Come on, let me see a trick. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. He on his BMX night time. Yeah, bro. We outside. Yo, what's your name? Oh, when I started wheeling in like 2016, I started following you.
Yeah, I started riding on there.
It's cosmic, baby.
Yeah.
It's cosmic.
Damn. Bike life! Bike life! Is how many followers? On Instagram or YouTube? YouTube. I'm on my way to 2K right now. PsiDaGoat. trying to learn how to do a crisscross.
I got you. D-A? Yeah, right there. Yes, sir.
Word, bro.
Good look.
Grind, bro.
Yes, sir. Make sure you tap in. I got all types of tutorials, bro.
I will.
Now, where are we going now? Skateboard? All right, someone lead the way. I don't live here.
D-Blocks was working with the cops, huh?
I believe it. I don't with RRD blocks.
Earlier he was being weird. He was like, no, we don't gotta run.
You know why I don't like him though? He threw a bike at my man's Rosati. What you call me though? What you call
What you doing, yo?
He outside. Damn.
I kicked some cop's door because this bro, he was opening it on me. I kicked it, bro, and I almost got caught 3 times. I'm done.
Oh, it's PSI.
Yo, what's up, yo?
Bro,
We outside. Go, my guy.
Bro, you know I just got here, bro. I've been chasing this back all day.
All day, bro.
All day since like 8 in the morning.
All right, Juju, let me see some work. Juju, you got it. You got it. Wow. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Yeah. You got another trick? No way. No way. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's go. Juju the goat. Juju the goat. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Head over first tries there.
Bro, I was just doing them yesterday.
My guy, Juju about to do a fire trick. Watch him. Yeah, let's go. Wow, let's go. Wow, don't sleep on him. Don't sleep on him. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He liked that. Wow. Land that. Going on in Times Square right now. I'm just trying to ride my bike and get through. Everybody just shouting, what's going on around here?